through glass, and welcome to what is officially the last day of the Team Galag Snow Tour. We're supposed to be driving from We're supposed to be driving from this resort back to Oslo. But before we do that, it's time to go on a snowmobile adventure. That was a pretty insane way to wake up. I can hardly feel my face. Oh my god, it's been way too long since I've ridden a snowmobile. I am so out of practice and unfit. Anyway, I think maybe a couple of the cars have gone on ahead because they got a bit fed up of waiting. As I say, we were supposed to leave at 9 AM, it's 12:03. So no one's in a rush. I obviously did this drive a few days ago. The whole trip for me has been a lot shorter than everyone else. But I'm excited to be part of the convoy, part of the crew. So I'm a bit sad some cars have gone ahead. Anyway, I'm gonna sit around, wait around a little bit longer, and hopefully we're all going to be driving off very soon. Shortly. Soon.
Even though the food here is triple the price of everywhere else on the planet, they do the best service station food here. It's 50 quid, I mean, but it's a good hot dog.
So James was right. Norwegian service stations have pretty amazing food selections. Everyone seemed to be getting hot dogs and burgers. I wasn't really feeling that, but I got recommended Smash! Sweet, salty and crispy. They're very good. I've got some nuts. I've got a coffee because I'm me. Anyway, everyone's loading up. Back in a bit of a group now. The convoy to Oslo continues. Classic snow tour. When I say classic snow tour, I've only been on it for 2 days, but I spoke too soon. We are still in the service station. It's been about half an hour since my last update. Don't really know what people are doing. There's some unloading of cars going on. People are just eating their hamburgers. It's all a bit strange, really. This old guy who's about to walk past the camera went into the store about 50 minutes ago. He walks like a snail, so he's had time to go in and get his stuff and leave, and we're still here. Have a good day, sir.
It's pretty comfortable, yeah?
Man, it's super luxurious. Oh, so that's my parking sensors. You're standing a little close. But yeah, man, we're having a lovely time. We got everything going on in here. Cool. Got the surround sound system. Land of luxury. How's your car?
Pretty good for what it is.
Yeah, it looks amazing.
What's your size, by the way? Did you ever get a jacket?
I never got a jacket.
There are several in the...
Oh, really?
car. Yeah.
Oh, I'd love to get one. In your car?
Yeah. Come get one.
I'll come get one now. We got time. Here?
Yeah.
What size do you think?
I'd say go for
It's a medium.
Yeah, not too bad.
That's alright,
Yeah.
medium's good, yeah? Done, man. Thank you so much.
That fits perfectly.
I'm part of the crew! I made it!
there are a few hoodies as well. Down there.
Oh my god, it's all good. Oh my god, this looks like you're like Santa Claus today.
I am like Santa Claus.
Well, that's an upside to all the waiting round. Free merch. I'm not going to say now it's time to leave because I don't think it is.
What are you boys doing?
We're waiting. We've been waiting for a while. We're very happy though.
It's really warm in here.
I know, it's so warm in here, isn't it? How nice is that?
It's very cold in the BMW.
Yeah, it doesn't look
The
like a warm
heating
car.
doesn't-
It looks like a very thin car.
Yeah, the heating doesn't work very well either.
Like I
It's
said.
especially the feet. None of the hot air goes to your feet, and I think there's like air coming.
We've got very warm feet, don't we?
Yeah. It's like
Very,
burning hot
really,
right
really
now.
nice.
It sucks.
Hey man,
We're like waiting for Sal,
come and hang out.
who's still at the hotel.
Oh no,
No.
way.
Yeah. Well,
That's
he's
why.
not with us, is he? There's some GT3 RS, isn't there?
Yeah, true. Why?
Who else left? Olsen
They
left
are
quick.
like cracking a bag, aren't they?
Oh my god, these are unbelievable.
Cracking a bag.
I mean, I need to go straight to the gym.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
I'm gonna get one. You
go
want one?
ham, yeah, mate. Do it. Get a hot dog. We got time. Now we're finally moving. I wanted to touch on something which I've been meaning to talk about the last couple of days, which is GT3 Bastards. I don't know what's happened to me the last few days. Being in Norway, I've got the weirdest accent. But yeah, GT3 versus R8 V10 Plus. Because on this trip, it's been so interesting comparing them, and a year ago, I would have said R8 V10 Plus hands down, and in that colour, in the snow, it's been looking amazing. But having now spent some time in and around Porsches, and particularly driving Tony's new GT3 and my own Cayman, I would put this black GT3 every time. There's something about it which just feels like such a complete and exciting package. And of course, the R8 is one of the best all-round, most not affordable, best value for money supercars you can buy today. But on the used market, probably pretty similar prices for a highly spec'd low mileage R8 and a less spec'd high mileage GT3. And for me, hands down, that GT3, it's just been so cool. I've been lusting after one massively. So yeah, it's like Porsche just getting into my blood somehow. Well, what an absolutely insane and I think quite fitting way to finish off the snow tour. We have arrived in Oslo at our hotel. As you can see, there are an insane number of people who've come to welcome us here, all gathered around the Mazda, of course. I'm so sad that I can only join a part of this tour, but it has been an amazing time. I don't know what's wrong with my speaking. Anyway, huge thanks to the Team Galak guys for firstly arranging this whole thing, but also for inviting me. I cannot wait to do some more adventures with them in the future. If you want to follow all of their content, I'll put their links below. I hope you've enjoyed the short videos. Give it a thumbs up if you have, and make sure to subscribe for plenty more videos to come.